Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss again from this first chapter, chemical reactions and equations, how to balance the reaction. So, first of all, you can see here this is the unbalanced reaction or equation, you can say. Hydrogen plus oxygen will give rise to water. So, in the table downside, you can see here it is written on one side elements, and there are two elements which is used in this reaction, that is hydrogen and oxygen, and the number of atoms on the reactant sides and the number of atoms on the product sides. So if you'll see for the hydrogen on the both the sides, the number of atoms of the hydrogen is same, that is 2 on both sides, but the number of oxygen, it is not same. On the reactant sides it is 2 and on the product side it is 1. Then how you will balance the reaction? So you will see that to balance the oxygen we have to multiply the product side water by the 2, and if we'll multiply the 2 with the water, means 2 molecules of water it is there, then naturally again it is partially balanced, because oxygen it is balanced, but again the hydrogen it is unbalanced, because on the product side now the number of atoms of the hydrogen it is 4. So we will again multiply 2 with the hydrogen on the reactant sides, on the reactant side, and in this way we will balance the whole reaction. Can you again see कि when we multiply 2 with the water on the product side, then the hydrogen will be unbalanced, but the oxygen is balanced. So to again balance this reaction or equation, we have to multiply the hydrogen with the 2 and the reaction will be balanced. Now we will take one more example. Now you can see it is a balanced chemical reaction. In the another example, the reaction is iron react with the water, it will give the iron oxide and the hydrogen. Now see here the elements used is iron, hydrogen and oxygen, and the number of atoms on the reactant sides and the product sides it is given in the table. Iron on the reactant side is 1, on the product side it is 3. Hydrogen both the sides 2, and oxygen on the reactant side 1 and on the product side 4. So how to balance the reaction? So step by step we'll do, and this is known as the hit and trial method. So first we'll balance the oxygen, and when we will balance the oxygen we will multiply the reactant side with 4. मतलब water को हम 4 से multiply करेंगे तो oxygen will be balanced, but if oxygen will be balanced then the hydrogen will be 8, मतलब number of atoms 8 हो जाएंगे. So again we will balance in the second step hydrogen, and for balance the hydrogen 8 करना है तो product side में हम क्या करेंगे, hydrogen को multiply करेंगे 4 से, and the hydrogen will be also balanced. So oxygen and hydrogen we have balanced. Now coming to the iron, we can see we have to multiply the Fe, that is iron, on the reactant side by 3, and in this way the iron is also balanced. Fine. So now the reaction is fully balanced. हमने reaction को balance कर दिया और ये reaction step by step में balance होगी. So students, try more examples how to balance the reaction, and in this way you can get it know the steps. Firstly we have to make the table, write the name of the elements or the symbols of the elements, number of atoms on the reactant side and the product side, and then balance one by one, means एक एक element को balance करना start कर दो and you can balance the reaction. ठीक है बेटा, practice करना. Thanks.